Today, we're putting two tire giants head-to-head, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 and the Bridgestone Turanza 6. Both represent the pinnacle of their brand's tire technology, but which one delivers the best performance, safety, and longevity? Let's dive in and find out. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 sets a high bar with its exceptional wet braking, stopping from 100 km per hour in just 40.6 meters. In comparison, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 trails with a braking distance of 43.1 meters under the same conditions, resulting in a 2.5-meter advantage for the Pilot Sport 5. In terms of wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 demonstrates superior agility and responsiveness, achieving 1.6 km per hour higher average lap speeds compared to the Turanza 6, ensuring confident cornering performance. When it comes to aquaplaning resistance, the Pilot Sport 5 maintains control at higher speeds, showcasing a 3.4 km per hour higher straight aquaplaning threshold. Under dry conditions, the Pilot Sport 5 demonstrates superior performance, stopping from 100 km per hour in 34.1 meters, 1.6 meters shorter than the Turanza 6's 35.7 meters. Additionally, in dry handling, the Pilot Sport 5 leads with 0.9 km per hour higher average lap speeds, offering precise steering response and stability through corners. When it comes to durability, the Pilot Sport 5 secured second place in the mileage test with a projected mileage of 55,600 kilometers. This remarkable result is 15,600 kilometers more than the seventh-place finish of 40,400 kilometers attained by the Turanza 6. The Pilot Sport 5 evidently showcased outstanding performance in managing wear and achieving top-of-the-line mileage ratings. In terms of noise, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 takes a slight lead, offering a quieter ride with reduced exterior noise levels compared to the Pilot Sport 5. The Bridgestone Turanza 6 shines in rolling resistance, consuming 14% less fuel per kilometer compared to the Pilot Sport 5. This makes it a favorable choice for eco-conscious drivers looking to minimize their carbon footprint. In conclusion, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 emerges as the top contender for drivers prioritizing exceptional wet and dry performance, along with longevity. Meanwhile, the Bridgestone Turanza 6 offers a quieter ride and superior fuel efficiency, catering to those who value comfort and eco-friendliness. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.